There's nothing standard about you. Not your life, not your home, and from now on, not your home security. Introducing the all-new Frontpoint security system, the new standard in home security and automation. We don't rely on wires or phone lines that can be cut by intruders, and we don't make the setup complicated.
Alexa, tell Frontpoint to unlock the door with 3791.
We monitor your home 24/7 for burglaries and emergencies. Visit frontpoint.com and try it risk-free for 30 days. Our highly customizable app lets you control all your compatible devices with a single tap, like your locks and lights. You can even check in on pets when you're away.
Hi, Nacho. I have a surprise for you. I'll be home soon.
Frontpoint smart home security that's safer, smarter, simpler. Visit frontpoint.com and get 20% off plus free shipping.